Let's make that adjustment. Rest on your front, please, madam.
Okay.
Face down.
Okay, face down.
Yeah. Rest your arms on the bars. Big movement. Legs are nice and balanced, that's good. You'll feel the pressure on the hips and the pelvis. Turn to the side, facing me. Good. Turn to the other side, madam. Good. Let's have you come up for me. Actually, stay like this. Stay like this. Give yourself a hug. I'm going to come from underneath.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Come up for me, Lily.
Okay.
Have a seat here. Right there. How's your body doing?
It's good, it's good. But the sound's a little bit scary, but it's good feeling.
We're used to it now.
Yeah, yes, I-
Good.